Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyes. And now I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow and putting that in my crease. Next, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that first shade and put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really help my channel and I really appreciate it. Now I'm just taking that brown shade I put in my crease and putting that on the outer parts of my eyes. Next, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Ioni Cluster Wispy Full Dial Long Lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Next, I'm using the ABH Setting Powder in Deep Peach to set where I have that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Bronzer Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Baked Face Powder Foundation in 65 Toffee. For my blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is a Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using Juvia's Place, the Royalty Highlighter. For lips, I'm using the Milani lipstick in Matte Drama. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this festive green sparkle eyeshadow look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really helped my channel and I really appreciate it. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.